That's on your fingernail. Are you trying to like avoid DNA detection? Is it like ladies?
I'm trying to get bloody crap out of my fingers. It's stuck up with stuff and thinners and lacquers and...
Stuck up with stuff.
Yeah.
Right, listen, this guy now, this is a question. He asked this a while ago. He actually, I don't know if he's a professional now, but he's called Paul Robertson. I'm actually friends with him on Facebook. And he makes guitars. He's up in Scotland.
Oh, right.
A young lad, probably about 30s, mid-30s,
Yeah.
30. Now, he actually posted on a video years ago when I was going through some old comments, yeah. And he said he was an amateur, but I think he might be professional now. I'm not quite sure. But, so Paul Robertson, this is about 2 weeks ago, he said he saw a video that you were doing with Patrick's through bass neck, yeah?
Yeah.
And he said, I've got a through neck angle question for Doug. Ah, I read that wrong.
Okay.
Right. I don't know if you'll get this, okay, but he says, does he cut the angle into the body as a wedge taper where there's more taken off at the bridge end, or is there a parallel strip cut off the body section?
I do parallel now.
Hope that question makes sense.
Yeah, I used to, and I still can, and still do. I made jigs in the 70s for through necks.
So what does he mean by that?
I'll show you. I'll show you what he means exactly. On Patrick's,
Yeah.
that is level all the way down. Right?
Yeah. Oh, with the
And
body.
just cut that
Yeah.
out, that section out.
Okay,
there,
yeah,
that
I know
depth.
what you're
Can you
saying
see?
now. Yeah.
It's about that. It's about that thick. Just
Yeah.
a bit thicker than that. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. So that gives him his answer, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And I can show you what I used to do, and I still do on certain models. I cut an angle, and I'll get the jig. Stay there.
So would he be saying it's all about the top few frets of the neck?
Right, here's a couple of jigs. These are the jigs, the drawing. These are just for drawing.
Yeah.
You don't use a tool on them.
Yeah.
These are just drawing jigs. And there they are.
Well,
and as you can see, you might not be able to.
No, you need to maybe hold them up.
No,
so.
I will do in a second. I'll just put this to, and you can see, if you put that straight edge, you can see the drift down. And that's
Okay.
the angle one.
Oh,
So I angle it from there, where the fretboard ends, and that goes down that way.
So what's the relief at the top there, do you think? About
3/4 of an inch.
Okay, so why would you do it like that?
Because that's how, if you want, for your bridge,
Yeah.
you've got bridge and strings,
Yeah.
so they've got to be above. So
Okay,
you,
yeah. And so the other one that you've got there is just
that's a
straight.
cut-out one. This is
Okay.
the cutty-out one. Right?
Yeah.
This is almost following the same kind of principle as your neck bolting on a guitar.
Yeah.
So you've got that.
Okay.
So it's the same gap all the way down.
Yeah. Why's that gap at the top there?
What's that?
There.
There?
Yeah.
Get your bridge and everything in.
Okay. Yeah.
So you'll have a fingerboard on that.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll
So
take it up a 1/4 of an inch.
So that gives you that even more higher. See?
Okay, I get you.
When
Yeah.
you put a bridge on.
Higher, yeah.
So that's what it is. One's an angle backwards, and one's that.
Yeah, because you also don't forget, you also need to ensure that the frets that are attached to the body are angling at the right angle, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So would they be flat? Technically, they sort of like
flat, yeah. That's flat all
frets.
the way down.
No, I mean, see where it joins the neck there, where the truss rod can't really move that from that point.
No, it'll move it from there.
Oh, will it? Okay,
Yeah.
so if there, 1, 2, 3, 4, those 4 frets.
Yeah.
They need to be the right angle, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that should answer his question. If he doesn't, he didn't get the.
No, I think
I think if he's a guitar builder, he'll know.
yeah, I basically understand that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I suppose is it a case of you just choose which one you want to do, or is there a technical reason for choosing one over the other?
I can't remember now. Well, I can. That's how I used to make the basses.
Yeah.
And this is how most of the time I make them now.
Yeah.
That's as simple as that.
Is that the technical answer?
That's the technical answer for me, yeah.
So what would the alternative ways of making them be?
Well, they've got to have an angle. You've got to have a gap there
Yeah,
to
yeah.
get your bridge on.
Yeah. No, I get that. I'm just wondering if there's any other ways that you can do it.
You can glue the neck on.
Okay.
It's all the same thing.
Yeah, it's
You're
just-
always going to end up. It's an instrument and it's got to have a gap.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you can create the gap by cutting that downwards.
Yeah.
And that angle is for flat bridges.
Or you can angle it up.
This is for flat bridges.
Oh, look at that.
I've written down, yeah.
For flat bridges, yeah.
Yeah.
Have you got somebody being...
I think this might be a guitar one. I don't think this
What's
is
that
a
say
bass
there?
one. What does it say? Standard guitar, straight through neck, 3/4 inch drop, like I said.
Yeah. How old would that be then?
70s.
Quite old, yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. There you go.
Yeah. So that answers his question.
Yeah, so that's... hopefully Paul will be satisfied with that answer.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I've got quite a few different kind of these.
I'll tell you what, you stay there. No, hang on. Hold that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold it up. I'll take a picture for the thumbnail.
And there's another one there.
What you can say now is you can just say goodbye, yeah?
I'm saying goodbye. I'm not swearing then.
No, but then I'll take a picture and use this for the thumbnail.
Okay. Now that might be a different angle, that one.
How many have you got down there?
Loads of jigs.
Oh, just for necks?
Yeah, just for next.
Yeah, I suppose you would do, wouldn't you?
I made all these jigs out of headboards.
Yeah.
Old
Plywood.
headboards from a scrap yard.
Yeah.
Or a scrap shop. There's a big shop along that way.
Oh, yeah.
And they've got headboards and they're all very old plywood.
But
So they were much denser, better plywood.
take it they were throwing them out.
No, they were selling them.
Oh, so you actually bought them?
I bought them, yeah.
Oh, right. I thought you just used scrap wood for those kind
No,
of
it
things.
wasn't scrap. They were selling all the headboards.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think they were just house clearance people.
Hang on.
But they're all out of 1950s.
Yeah, stay right there. I'm going to go now anyway, so let's say goodbye.
Well, goodbye.
What are we going to call this video?
Call it Fred.
No. Trying to think of his question. Is about the angle of the dangle of the neck. What should we call it?
Neck, just neck angle.
Neck angle. So if I call this video neck angle,
Yeah, you can do.
could be all sorts of
I
perverts
still don't
thinking
know
it's
where
something
that
about.
bloody piece of wood is.
Hang on, I'm talking about the title of the video.
Well, I've gone off
What shall I
that
call
now.
it?
Fed up with that.
Right then, adios.
Adios, bugger off.